I'm Richard Walker, Assistant Director, Digital Education at the University of York. As a strategic leader, my role is to set out a vision and the supporting evidence for learning technology developments, and then to empower others to develop those systems and services. And I've done this through a distributed leadership approach, which is about guidance and empowering others.
Richard has supported me in my role with VLE Service Management and Educational Technology Services in a way which is both empowering and supporting, but not micromanaging of the Educational Technology Service teams. He's assisted in addressing strategic issues such as making the case for new services, for example Mentimeter and Gradescope, tackling artificial intelligence and data security issues, and offering strategic oversight for the latest VLE Ultra implementation project.
I've really admired Richard Walker's leadership in the digital education field, especially his work with UCISA and ALT, his academic research with colleagues in the field of e-learning, and I've really greatly admired his endeavours with digital accessibility, especially at the Uni of York, where he's really galvanised colleagues from across the university in a shared purpose to deliver change and to shift digital accessibility practice at the uni. His vision, his grit, and he's got a leadership style that really empowers people to do their best work and to share his vision to make things happen.
I've also taken an active role in professional accreditation. I achieved CMALT in 2018, and I've been serving as an assessor since that point. I've also set up an institutional CMALT programme and led a number of cohorts of professional services staff and academics to achieve accreditation as well. And I've been a champion of the Framework for Ethical Learning Technology and CMALT principles, which lie at the heart of everything we do at the University of York. In closing, I'd just like to say I'm thrilled to be recognised for this Digital Leadership Award. Thank you.